Hello, I'm Carl Rickard, and I own Partex Corporation and SoftServeParts.com. I produce this video to show you the difference between the remanufactured machines we sell here at Partex and the ones that you could find on Craigslist or eBay or from any other dealer in the country. This is our 13,000 square foot facility in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is our shop where we can test 13 two-flavor ice cream machines at a time. What the great part about being able to test so many machines at a time is not only can you get the machines done faster, of course, but you can let the machines run longer once they've been put back together. So this is a very important part of high quality control at our company, is that we have the ability to run the machines longer than most companies do. What sets our machines apart from any other machines you can buy is a shell assembly. Of course, you're asking, what's a shell assembly? Shell assembly is the upper third portion of the machine, which includes the freezing barrels and the refrigerated hoppers on the top of the machine. It's the most critical part of the machine, and it's the part that's the most expensive to replace when there's a problem. So you may be asking yourself now, what are the chances I'm going to have a problem with my shell assembly? Well, the answer is, if you don't buy your machine from Partex Corporation, chances are 100% that you'll have problems with your shell assembly if you own the machines long enough. It's just the laws of nature, and it will happen. In the previous clip, I showed you a shell assembly that had been removed from a Taylor machine. In this clip, the cover's been removed, and we've removed some of the foam off the outside of the barrel assembly. You'll notice that the barrels do rust, and that's where the problem arises, is that as they rust, because they're always seeing condensation and moisture, and they're made out of steel, so they have to rust. It's just the laws of nature and the way they're manufactured. In this clip here, you'll see where the foam's been totally removed. And if you take a closer look at these barrels, which you'll zoom in here in a minute, you'll see the rust and corrosion that started on these barrels. And this starts immediately after manufacturing, and there's no stopping it except with Partex and our solution, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. If you look close here, you'll see that the rust and corrosion, and eventually the freon gas will leak out of this. And the repair for this from Taylor is normally $6,000 or so. Here's the solution. We remanufacture the barrels completely out of stainless steel. Our barrels can never rust. All the joints are made out of stainless steel. Even the piping is not only threaded but welded with stainless steel also. It's a seamless barrel with all stainless steel design. Our barrels will last as long as any of us are going to last on this earth. You can see here that we've reassembled a set of barrels and reinsulated them. And these barrels are ready to be installed back on a machine with a 20-year warranty, which is more than you can get anywhere in the country, new or used, on a Taylor machine. In these clips, you'll see the machines that we've already refurbished. You'll notice not only mechanically are our machines the strongest machines, but also cosmetically. We replaced the front lower panels on all of our machines. We also replaced the mid front panel that surrounds the dispensing head. Put all new decals on the machines. So no matter what situation you put these machines in, they'll present well. They look like brand new from the front of the machine. In closing, as you look at our stock room here, just like to say, if you're in the market for a good quality soft serve machine and you can't see spending $15,000 for a brand new one, we're your best choice. We've sold over 1,200 ice cream machines. We've been in this business over 20 years. We'll be here for you if you have any problems with the machines. Please give us a call at Partex, 1-800-879-7839. Thanks.